If you are a graduate and wish to secure a job as a data entry operator under the Railway Claims Tribunal, we have brought a great recruitment opportunity for you. Through this article, we will provide you with detailed information about Railway DEO Recruitment 2024. It is important to note that the selection process for this recruitment will be based solely on a walk-in interview, without any written exam. We will provide you with all the necessary details regarding Railway DEO Recruitment 2024 in our upcoming article. We welcome all applicants through this article. If you are a graduate and aspire to work as a data entry operator under the Railway Claims Tribunal, this recruitment is a great opportunity for you. We will provide you with comprehensive information about Railway DEO Recruitment 2024 through this article. The recruitment process for Railway DEO Recruitment 2024 will be conducted through a walk-in interview, and we will provide you with detailed information about it in our article. Important dates for the walk-in interview are scheduled for the 2nd of May 2024, and the selection process will also be through a walk-in interview. Eligibility criteria include being a graduate from a recognized institution or university and having basic knowledge of computer IT with the English language. By fulfilling the above requirements, you can easily apply for this recruitment and avail its benefits. To apply for Railway DEO Recruitment 2024, follow the offline application process steps provided in our article. The application process will involve downloading the form, filling it accurately, and attending the walk-in interview at the designated venue. For further details and a step-by-step guide on applying for Railway DEO Recruitment 2024, refer to our comprehensive article.